Hey guys, it is Darren here, and here's basically a new and improved Twitter app that just got released this morning. I opened my Twitter and boom, an update. And I don't know if it was for me this morning or a few days ago, but on the 13th there was no update, the 15th there was no update, but bang on the 17th, 4 days later from the 13th, there's an update, and it looks pretty amazing. I do have some complaints about it at first. I mean, right here, I've been looking a way to change the background, and I cannot do that. You're probably wondering, oh, why don't you like the black background? Because, one, yes, it does look amazing, but two, it's hard to actually. I don't like reading from a black background. It's actually hard, not to mention it distorts the color a lot. But it does bring out some, but it distorts some color, and it distorts some of the pictures. But overall, it looks pretty amazing. And another flaw is that you can't really swipe side to side anymore like the usual Twitter app. I think that's for the new Instagram beta app as well. Let me just open it here. Yeah, it's for the new Instagram beta app as well. You cannot swipe like you used to in the old one. You actually have to click on the actual icon in order to, go on the actual page, which kind of sucks, but kind of works. Probably they wanted to really save memory on it, but figuring as how these apps are just a few megabytes shouldn't really, solve a problem. But yeah, as you can see, this is all the, what's happening, what's trending. It has its own icon, so you don't need to go into the, navigational bar and try to find it like the old one. And you have entertainment, you have fun. It takes a while to load because it's still freshly new, so it's still getting used to stuff, so it is quite slow at the moment. And what's really interesting is that GIFs actually play now. Here's actually a video. Well, this is a GIF now, and this GIF actually plays automatically. As you know, in the old one, did not play at all. You had to actually go to the internet just to see it, and it was so annoying. And here's a video that actually plays automatically as well. As you can see right there, it just plays automatically. Currently, the app, with the new app itself, with all these changes, it will eat up data. So I recommend you set a data cap. I'm on 5 gigabytes, so I do have a data cap of, I cap it at around 3.5, and the rest is for emergencies. But now I'm on Wi-Fi, I'm able to do this, all automatically. But if I press play, it carries it to a whole new window, but the new window is inside the actual app, so it doesn't, put it into the internet or anything. It doesn't transfer you to the net. You're actually inside the app. It plays all with sound. This button right here carries you. It's basically for PC remote play. It basically looks, to connect to the actual screen wirelessly, actually. So if it connects to a dock, I think you can actually wirelessly hook it up. Don't know if this feature is implemented yet, but if anyone else has tried it, let's go. So yeah, this is your profile, your new and redesigned profile. Basically, all the apps that people have on the Apple and Android, Windows users actually finally want them. Windows users are actually finally getting them. The only apps that are now needed are Snapchat, a proper Tumblr app, and a full-fledged Instagram. And that's it. When people say that the Windows Store is dry, they're just talking about the apps that everyone uses. Oh yeah, one more app is YouTube. That's all we need, and we're good. So far, back at it. I mean, everything works slightly perfectly. I am still a bit annoyed at the fact that you cannot change the background color. There's the mentions, the profile. Don't know why I can't remember that there. But in the settings, I've been looking for it. Sorry, I've been looking for it for a very long time, but I can't seem to find it. I mean, you just have the edit profile, which actually doesn't bring up the font. It only brings up what you can edit inside your profile. You can even customize the background on your picture just like the old one. And apart from that, guys, it's a very redefined and new update that is actually pretty amazing. It is update 5.0.0.0 5000 from the old 5, no, from the old 4.956 or something. But overall, very good. And I love it. I love the fact that Windows is finally stepping up their game here. And I hope you guys enjoy. You know, the app is pretty amazing. I will show you guys the Instagram app, what I hate and what I like. But so far, you know, go now, go update your Instagram. It's probably updated for you already because it asked me for my password. Or just restart your phone, it will happen there. So anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. And this is the new Twitter app for the Microsoft Windows 10 store. Windows 10 in general, basically. Have fun, guys.